I was originally super excited to start this video with "Let's save USPS, everyone," but they shipped it with FedEx. Hello! Today we're doing an unboxing video because amidst all the chaos of this pandemic, it seems that I have fallen back into my old fast fashion bad habits. We will try to make this the last one. So for the sake of full disclosure, this box was purchased almost entirely with the $100 coupon that YesStyle gave its influencers. So I will try to keep my opinions non-biased, but that is the fact of the matter. Please just let me open this box. As it turns out, I am incredibly stupid. Okay, no, it's still hard to open, never mind. Oh, no, it's better, it's better. Haha! Okay, let's go. Aha! What is the first item? This is the Windflower cropped corduroy jacket, black in one size. Just to start off with, this is already like 20 times thinner than I thought it would be, because, you know, like your impression of corduroy is usually pretty thick, pretty intense, but the quality doesn't seem too bad. There's no strong smell or anything, it's just that it's thinner than I expected. Let's try it on. There are button clasps on the sleeves. There's the full jacket. I actually kind of like that it's thin, because as long as there aren't any other major construction issues, it's actually more wearable in a California climate, potentially. Especially if you layer like a hoodie or something underneath it. And I definitely like how it looks with the high-waisted jeans. This jacket was around $17 when I bought it on YesStyle. Prices tend to fluctuate a bit on that website. I think the algorithm is playing with us. I've seen this jacket listed as low as like $14 before. But for what it is, I think it's actually quite worth the price I paid for it, $17. Again, the fast fashion trap is such that you buy something and then you wear it once or twice and never again. But this is actually a pretty versatile piece. It's comfortable, it's fairly well made, and I think I will probably be wearing this a lot for lots of different types of looks. It's not quite what I expected, but it's still cute. What is next? What is next? This is the DIYI plain high-waist A-line skirt black in large. I didn't realize I bought so much black. Before I know it, I'm gonna end up with one of those like goth girlfriend looks. I bought this piece because it has shorts underneath. I really like a good skirt because I am a very paranoid human being and I like to have my bottom covered. The waist is a little bit wide for me, but I think it's because I adjusted for my waist to hip ratio, which is a little bit of an odd ratio, but I think that's okay because you can usually take skirts in on the sides pretty easily. I'm really actually loving this little slit. I didn't think I would, but you know, it's like skanky light. What I'm not loving about this little slit is the way the hem over here is showing as it bursts open over my thigh. I would like for it to stay hidden so that it will look more chic and clean. Okay. Are y'all ready to see how the shorts performed? Aha! When I first bought these, I thought that these shorts were going to be like spandexy, kind of stretchy, and like hugging your legs, right? That is definitely not the case. It's a very plasticky, loose, kind of unbreathable material, but I have really thick thighs, and so I'm glad that at the very least it fits me, because my concern was that if it's not stretchy, that it'll just be too small, and that's not the case here, so I'm grateful for that. However, as you can see, there's a lot of like loose threads and random construction issues down here, so this is definitely a cheap item, right? This is not something that is going to be able to withstand a lot of wears, but it is a versatile piece and I think I'm gonna get quite a lot out of it. So I'll just do my best to keep it okay. Okay, what is next? What is next? I was really joking about the goth girlfriend thing, but I think it is coming true. So this item is the layered faux leather garter, black in one size. I just really wanted, like I'm starting to get more into OG Lolita stuff, and I really wanted more garters because it really makes the OG shorts look good. So this is actually way edgier than I thought I was signing up for, but I probably should have known that this was gonna happen. The back of this is elastic, so that's the reason I was comfortable ordering these even though I have really thick thighs. Hopefully they will not cause me to look like a ham, and we'll try it on and see what happens. Okay, so I do look a little bit like a ham. That effect is coming through a little bit, but overall, not bad. This is pretty much exactly what I was looking for. When you wear like OG Lolita shorts, there's just a lot of like leg space between the shorts, especially the short shorts, and any knee socks or whatever's going on down around your foot area. So this really helps fill in the gap a bit, and I think black will be the most versatile option. But yeah, I'm overall quite happy with this. Honestly, this garter was like $5 and I'm gonna get so much use out of this, right? Can you hear me justifying my fast fashion purchases right now? Oh my God. All right, next up we have a wig. So this wig by current cheap cosplay wig standards is more on the pricey side. It's about $18. Back in my day, we used to buy $30 short straw-like blonde wigs that were super ugly, but we did what we could with them and they were very expensive and never did the job quite right. But now we have cheap $10 to $20 wigs just like all the time for every character that you can buy anywhere, including eBay and Amazon and Taobao. But I'm gonna try it on and we're gonna see what it looks like. How are you liking my pigtailed farm girl look? I always do this before putting a wig cap on because it just helps keep the hair a little more contained. I do have an undercut, so it makes it a little bit easier because the problem I used to have is that like hair would loop out at the bottom all the time. I don't think I've put a wig cap on since April when I did a Pass the Brush cosplay collaboration thing. Okay, first impressions on this wig. It's shedding like crazy, and that's how I know that it is a cheap wig. So similar to the garter, this wig was supposed to be an investment into my old G collection because I didn't really have a natural-ish looking wig to wear with everything. But I'm probably gonna have to style the bangs a little and texturize it a little because right now I just feel like that watermelon cat. Like this thing is just out of place on my head. It's also really hot today. It's like 95 degrees Fahrenheit outside and I am sweating buckets. So I really want to take this off. I'm gonna do that right now. Whee! Okay. Freedom! Oh, but my hair's just sticking to my sweat now. I am so dumb. Why did I take the wig cap off? Okay, sorry, it's really damn hot. I'm gonna switch back to my original outfit because the corduroy is like suffocating me. Okay, that's much better. So the light gold one that I just threw out was $18 and this one is $25. This one is really on the pricier end. Okay, well, let's see what you have to offer. It came with a little wig care set. I think that's just a wig net and some clips. It's an edgy short bang bob cut wig. And I really love the color, oh my God. Back to my farm girl pigtails I go. If anyone's wondering, the reason I wear 2 wig caps is actually an old habit from back when I had really long hair and it really took 2 wig caps to keep it all contained. Now I don't feel secure if I don't have more than 1 wig cap on my head. Look at that hair part. It's quite natural looking. Not bad. Maybe that's why it was so pricey. So it's not bad. It's actually a pretty cute look. I finally have the blunt cut short bangs of my dreams, and only in my dreams because I would never be gutsy enough to do this with my real hair. Thankfully, this is something that I also bought for the Lolita collection, so I don't really plan on wearing this in real life by any means, but it's cute. I think I could only really rock this in Lolita where I feel like I'm a totally different person. Okay, well hopefully now it's safe for me to take this wig off. Goodbye. Spare me. Now I am free. So I found my glasses and I may be a clown, but okay, I put the wig cap back on for a 3rd freaking time because I just really wanted to know what these looked like with my glasses on. Okay. I think we're on to something here. I think I can work with this. I am feeling much more positive about this wig than I was before. All right, let's try the other wig. Choo. Okay, yeah, no, I was definitely onto something. This looks much better with glasses on. It was worth the clownery. It was worth the clownery. All right, so in conclusion, this wig was $18, this wig was $24, and they were both cuter when I had glasses on. All right, I need to stop being stuck on the wigs. Let's look at what is next. A bag. This is actually the one thing I was the most excited for because all of my bags are Ita bags. So I really needed something that was more functional but still cute. There is a magnet button closure here. And the strap is in here For fake leather, this is actually really soft. I'm kind of amazed. I wonder if the 2 pockets are functional too. Oh my god, they are. I can keep my challenge coins in here. Ah! But overall, yeah, nothing too special. Just a cute little functional piece that should be large enough to fit my battery banks and my phone and my wallet. And I'm gonna say it again just because I'm so amazed while I'm touching it. I have never felt a fake leather purse that was this soft. Maybe that means it'll wear out faster. I don't know. I'll update in the comments if it falls apart real fast. Okay, I pretty much only have 2 little things left. This is a little Jasmine scent roller tube. I have had my eye on this for a really long time. There are a bunch of different smells and I had a lot of trouble deciding. That is what the roller top looks like. And let's try it out, just right on my wrists over here. Oh, that's so refreshing. It actually kind of smells like tea. I'm kind of obsessed. I'm not even a big fragrances person. Like, I'm so sensitive to fragrances, but this isn't irritating me in any way. It doesn't seem to be making my skin itch. So maybe I finally found a fragrance that I can wear. Awesome. Okay, and here is the very last thing. It's just earrings. I will try these on and then I will be able to turn the fan on again and not melt. That little plastic baggie was actually stapled to the shipment invoice receipt thing that they include in the package, so I almost threw it out. Here is what the earrings look like. I really like how simple and geometric they are. I just really like simple geometric earrings. I totally forgot this detail, but the earrings are asymmetrical, which adds to their charm. Oh man, I'm really glad I bought these actually. They turned out so much nicer than I thought they were going to. You never know with cheap stuff, you know? You never know how it's gonna turn out. But this one had pretty good reviews, so I went with it and I'm glad I did. Okay, so that's pretty much the last item of this haul. That was my first time doing an unboxing video, so if you liked it, let me know where else I should be making irresponsible purchases from and opening them in front of a camera. Thanks for sticking around for this very sweaty, somewhat chaotic time, and I hope everyone has been having a relatively decent and uneventful pandemic. I am falling apart, but I hope that is not the case for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.